Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm going to show you that how can you take photos or to take photos for your thumbnail from a video. Let's say you've created a video and you want a thumbnail for that. This is the video that I have created, and what I have done, I have provided a thumbnail in this video after 3 or 4 seconds. So this is the thumbnail which I want to uh, take, and I have to upload it on my on my YouTube video. So how can I do that? So let's say you have opened this video in VLC, and then you go to playback, go to video, and then click on this take snapshot. So it has taken a snapshot, and this snapshot will be saved in pictures. So now this is a thumbnail which you got, or you can see a picture which you got. Now you can see it's PNG file having a size of 4.33 MB. You can click on this upload file, and then if you click on that picture that you have recently taken, click on open, you will see that the file size is bigger than 2 megabyte, and it will not allow you to upload that file. So what you have to do to one more thing, to shorten the size of this image, what you can do, you can right click on that and click on open this with photos application, which is inbuilt application in Windows. So now you have open that photo in this photo application. Now click on edit, and then click on the save options, click on save as a copy, and then over here try to save it in JPEG format. Now if you go to that folder, you have two images. One is 4.33 MB, the second one is 806 KB. So now you can see that as soon as you save that picture in JPG, the file size is reduced, and now you can upload that file. And now it's uploaded. So in this way you can take a snapshot from a video, and you can provide that thumbnail. You can also use PowerPoint to create a thumbnail. It's up to you. Generally what I do, I provide a thumbnail within the video, and I will take a snapshot, and if I'm not able to upload it because of size issue, I just reduce the file size of that image and below to 2 megabytes, and it will get uploaded. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, the like button, and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.